Hello guys, as usual I always continue to give you details about Twitter from or since it was an IPO, it means when it get listed, until now. Whenever I see something I will try to explain. Now I was in this trade when we have the gap up, and as I told you before, in the morning I sold here even before the market opens. Okay, so you can sell when there is a gap up in the morning before 9:30. You can use a limit order, and you see the bid and the ask. Most of the time Twitter, Facebook, Apple, Google are a very high volume stocks. It means even before the market opens and after the market closes, you will find that these stocks have high volume. So I sold. This technique I used for years and I am okay with it. I didn't change it, and it's just a technique that I use. You can use it or you don't use it. It's your opinion. So I do what I like in my trading and you do what you like. Okay, the stock has gone up, which is very nice, but suddenly we have a gap down. Okay, we have a gap down. So for me, I don't dig that much in the news. It means why. For me, I don't care why. The only thing I care about is if I lost money or I made money. This is what I care about. Because you think the only news that I sometimes follow is the earning dates, because it is known. Now this gap up that you see here, that I was in here, okay, and this gap down, and there is another gap down, as you can see here, another gap down here. So all these are news. It has nothing to do with the company itself, or it's just news. So one gap up, two gap down, and now Twitter is at $16.88. We are on this is the day here is Friday. Now when you see, for example, you see a day like this, the last day, which is Friday 14th of October 2016, you see the stock has gone down, but you think that the stock has been going down the whole day, which is not true. Okay, now let's show you a two minute chart, and you will see that day. Okay, if you can see this one, yesterday, it means on Thursday at 4 o'clock, the stock was 1784. Now the first 2 minutes, as you can see, okay. Oh, let's see. There's something here. Just let's see here. Yes, the stock has gone up, and then as you can see, the whole day nothing happens, but at 1:22, okay, it means afternoon, 1:22, in around 8 minutes the stock has gone from 1744 to 1636. Okay, it's the whole $1, and you can see here. Now news is always something very big in some stocks, and you should be aware of these things, like these stocks that have a big impact on these stocks because of the news. You can't just, you are just trading, you buy the stock, or okay, and you are waiting the whole day for the news. The news can come at any time. You will never know. Sometimes 2 minutes before the market close, I have seen stocks that go $10, $15 or $20 in 2 minutes. It means when the news comes, there are a lot of institutions or big guys, they can have the news before you, before it is public, okay? And they can buy before you buy. So here, for example, there is a sell-off or there is a shorting because of the news, okay? Now, if you are following the whole day and then you begin to see this, you might enter into the trade if you are a day trader. But if you are not following, you are not a day trader, you will never see this, okay? And after that is nothing, and before that is nothing. The stock has done nothing, okay? It's just going up and down, but there is nothing. But this is a big problem. Okay, let's go to our daily chart, okay? And we see how things works here. So what do you think the future will be for this stock, which is Twitter? Okay, now it's today here, which is Friday. If the guys continue to short the stock, or there are other news coming, the stock will be going down. If there are good news in the future, the stock will go up again. And what you call the earning dates is coming in this October, okay? So it will be another movement in the stock, either up or down. It's just the future will tell us, okay? So the main reason I put this kind of videos about some volatile stocks is that if you don't like this kind of stocks that go up like gap up or gap down, and you are scared to trade them, so try to avoid this kind of stocks, okay? Avoid them. It means you see that the stock is going up and down like this, and you will never know what is next. So it's better to be out of it, okay? If you want to be in, you should have more risk in your trading, because if someone is here, has bought in this, okay, and he has a gap down, and then he doesn't sell, and then he has another gap down, okay, and then the stock goes down more and more, he will be losing too much of his money, and this will be a big loss. As I told you before, I will not repeat it, big losses will wipe your account. So if you are scared, stay away of this kind of stocks. Thank you very much.